the best part of the whole thing is I love the bald look. I don't think I love the bald look of anybody else other than him.
Yeah, I'm like, wow, बॉल लुक में भी इतना अच्छा लगता है कोई.
Oh,
song.
बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए.
Seriously,
विलन
like,
बनता हूं ना, कोई भी हीरो मेरे सामने टिक नहीं सकता.
Hi all, I have with me my friends from Michigan and I am sitting here in Massachusetts, and guess what unites us?
SRK.
That's right, SRK. Tomorrow is September 7th, which is the release date of JAWAN the movie. I'm so excited and I'm pretty sure you guys are all very, very excited.
Absolutely.
No doubt about it.
So let's get started. Let's just do some chit chat about JAWAN. What are we looking forward to? Do you have some scoops, some insights?
You know, it is a revenge story. So, in the backdrop, keep the things in mind and look at it that way. It is a revenge story.
So Shah Rukh Khan is there, but he has this team of girls who are there. So the movie is actually like, you know, the way Shah Rukh Khan has always done. It like he keeps the girls out there, he promotes them, and he kind of, you know, is like the one who's supporting the girls.
You know, this kind of gives me that Chak De vibes.
Yes,
I was
absolutely.
going to say that. Absolutely.
Right. Shah Rukh is at the background. That means something is going to happen, something big, some dhamaka is going to happen. So, tell me something about casting of Nayanthara.
This is her debut in Hindi films. She is in the South, she's known as superstar Nayanthara. So we are really looking forward to seeing her, how she will be like in a Bollywood movie.
And you know, in an awards function back in South, he had said one time that I will take Nayanthara to Bollywood. Shah Rukh Khan had said it through the audience. So,
and
this is what he
I've
did.
heard.
Wow. So, when is Shah Rukh casting you, Vatsala? Given the history.
Even if I was a table somewhere around, I would be like a table and be there. I so wish he would.
You are absolutely a lot more than a table, no doubt about that.
But you know, it's all the wishes that actually count, because Atlee, the director, had stood in front of Mannat.
Like back 10 years back, he was standing in front of Mannat, and now he's directing.
And wishing that he would one day meet Shah Rukh Khan. And look what has happened.
So you can just manifest and things do happen.
Exactly. So anything more? Like, I know people in Michigan are very excited, and not just Michigan. I have been reading news about the release. People in UK, Australia, India, Asia overall, everybody's too excited. So what are people really looking forward to, in your opinion?
In fact, I'll tell you one thing, Scoop. Right now, at this moment in Times Square, they have the projection. So we have a team from SRK Universe who is out there. They were sending videos. If you would see in the group, like they are sending videos of the trailer being shown in Times Square. So we have a whole group of fans out there.
So are you throwing any special party? Personally, private party?
Absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely. In fact, I wish you were here.
I know. I wish I was in Michigan right now. You know, I could be a part of it.
You know, we are right now 50 people and counting all together going for the show.
Ooh. What's the most catchy dialogue of the movie that you want to?
The revengeful dialogue is what I'll talk about. The revengeful dialogue is, बेटे को हाथ लगाने से पहले बाप से बात करना था.
Ooh, that's really
Which
nice.
is like touching so many hearts.
And that is really echoing. In fact, when he was in Dubai at the Burj Khalifa thing, there he had said that, you know, lots of parents will actually, you know, relate with this.
Yeah, right. I think Shah Rukh's fan, it's not just limited to South Asian crowd. Everybody loves Shah Rukh. So I see a lot of reaction videos of Shah Rukh's movies, and everybody is like, any dialogue or even the romantic scenes that Shah Rukh does, he does like no other, right? So he's like one of a kind, and people admire the way he throws the dialogues or does all the look and everything. Nobody else can do that, right? So
Yeah.
from your perspective, what you like, you're in Michigan, I'm sure many people who are not South Asians, they would surely want to experience this kind of a movie. So what do you think, what are they looking forward to?
They are looking for 6 versions of Shah Rukh Khan in one movie.
Yeah, and
Ooh.
actually, Shah Rukh Khan connects beyond any language or any it's like ethnicity or
Right.
because we have so many of non South Asians in Europe and all, like, and they have been learning the language. It's so amazing. They're learning the language just because of Shah Rukh.
It's like he's a real influencer, real trendsetter who can do something for the betterment for future, not just for making movies or making money or making profit, but connecting people as a whole. That's something which, Shah Rukh Khan always inspires us with.
Vijay Sethupathi. Oh, the thing is that this movie, it's not just that it's a Bollywood movie, because it's Atlee is the director, and he is known for masala movies in the South. In Tamil, he's like really famous. And Vijay Sethupathi is like really famous in the South.
Nayanthara is super famous.
So in the South, I'm sure it's going to be massive in the South.
Massive, yeah, I know. I'm so excited. I want to really see like the way this is very, one of the very few movies which is connecting the entire country. If you see that the entire crowd is looking forward to it, not just the Northern India or not just the South India. It's like everybody. And also, I'm really, really excited to see Sania Malhotra dance next to Shah Rukh. I'm a crazy fan of hers.
Oh, she's amazing.
Sangeeta. So Sangeeta Bhattacharya. So she is an amazing singer. Sania is an amazing dancer. So if you see that way individually, they are actor.
The movies that she's done amazing.
Oh yeah. So each of them have their fan following, have their own niche, and the way they have come together for a movie where they're like
ready to go
taking revenge, villains and taking revenge, standing up for themselves. Somewhat, it relates with Chuck Day, standing up for yourself. You have to be together, to stand up together, and to fight against all odds. I see that resemblance, but at the same time, different context altogether. One is for the country, and I believe this is also for the country, but also for justice. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to Thursday, and I'm sure you guys are very, very excited.
Yes, and when if you come down here, Bids, we'll go.
Yes.
Go.
Yes.
Make a Halla celebration.
I'll definitely come to Michigan. Michigan is my first home, no matter what. That's where I have been when I moved to United States.